Hey everybody out there, I wanted to come to you with a quick video, and typically I don't cut videos that put other people down or make other people feel less than equal or less than awesome. But I had an occurrence today that I had to share with you guys because it was just a perfect example of what not to do. And when I think that people can learn from someone else's mistake, I think it's okay to highlight it. And of course, I'll try to keep his name out of there. But what I want you guys to look at is this conversation that I had here with a gentleman today. And really, he was using Facebook chat to connect with people. And Facebook chat is an incredible tool to connect with people. As you can see, I'm using it all the time. I'm constantly connecting with people that are online right now, real time. And that's the power of Facebook chat. But it can also be abused and it can also be misused. So I got this message from this gentleman, and he was talking about healthy eating or something, a question he had just posted on his profile. And I didn't really understand his message. It didn't make sense. And then he asked me how I was doing. So I thought, okay, he's asking me how I'm doing. I'm doing awesome, incredibly busy though, but how are you? I'm all right, working from home. And I said, same, I haven't had a real job for the last 2 years. You gotta love it. And then he asked me if I was in Organo Gold. And this is in no way derogatory to Organo Gold. I have a lot of great friends that are in the company and, doing very, very well. But, it's just not for me. It's not something that I want to look at right now. It's not something that I'm interested in, not something that lights my fire. So that's the thing that you need to remember, is that you're going to run into people like me all the time that really are not interested in your business, because I am completely committed to my team, to the family that I'm creating within my organization, and I wouldn't look at another opportunity. So when you're building that relationship, when you're using Facebook chat to connect with people, you've got to keep that in your head. You've got to realize that, okay, if this person doesn't want to join me in business, if I just shove my business down their throat, then are they really going to keep a relationship going with me? So I basically told him, I'm not really in Organo Gold. I'm really happy in my company. I love my company, and we're doing extremely well. So then he didn't really even listen to what I said at all, and he just started talking about how they gave away, $62 million or something. And then again, I didn't respond. He just kept going, do you know anyone that drinks coffee? And, I was just like, I was getting kind of irritated at this point. I'm trying to do a ton of work, and this guy just keeps talking about coffee. So I'm like, you know what? You really aren't listening to what I'm saying. So are they really training you? Like, what kind of training are you getting on prospecting? And the answer was just insane. I was like, that doesn't even make sense. The only way we recruit is by giving away coffee. And obviously irritating me on Facebook. But guys, just think about it. Not specific to Organo Gold, because I get this all the time. And I really think it's just new people that are in the industry that don't understand how social media works. They don't understand how this entire industry works, especially when you have people in a community that are in different MLMs. I have tons of friends that are in tons of different network marketing companies, but we don't sit there and pitch each other all day long. But we do look at ways that we can learn from each other, ways that we can help each other, and develop a working relationship. And that's what you want to do. So now, this gentleman, I'm not really going to have any kind of relationship with him, because I don't want to talk to him anymore, because he just talks about coffee all the time. So that's not what I'm interested in. So he's going to get removed from my list, because I only have a limited amount of space on my friends list. So if you don't make the cut, you get the boot. So guys, just a quick tip on what not to do. Go out there, make real relationships. And when people type back, listen to what they're saying, and always come from a place of value. What can you do for them? How can you help them? You don't want to just talk about my company is better than yours. That's not the kind of dialogue that's going to breed a good relationship. So go out there, use Facebook chat the right way, use the questions that we've included in here, just a couple of questions for you guys to use within Facebook chat to really get some conversations going. It doesn't have to be about look at my business right now, but once you've developed a relationship, then you can move into the fact of, we work well together. Why don't we partner up and work together side by side? So Powerful stuff, guys. Sorry that sorry that I had to point out this poor person, and nothing against Organic Gold. I love a lot of you guys out there. Michelle, you're awesome. But just had to point out how not to recruit on Facebook chat. So from Layla here up in Canada, it's actually beautiful and sunny today. We'll see you on the next video. Take care. She put it in her mouth with a trigger for fun. Yeah, for you is like a mind so small. It's just a nuclear war. Ain't nobody around. One by me, stop it.